guys, and I'm super excited for this. Finally picked up my delivery, my ring light. It's pretty now, Flow Beauty Enterprise. Oh, I cannot wait to unbox this. Let me see how it looks. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and this is so frustrating. Okay, so finally I'm home. So let's begin. This is the company that I actually bought from. You can check them out on IGD, their WhatsApp, and their call line. Okay, so let's begin. Oh, this is such a beauty. So this is my parcel number from Abeokuta down to Yenegoa. They use gig logistics. So let's start unboxing. So I do not have a scissors, so I had to use knife. Watch as I get some. But this is a 10 inches ring light, a small ring light though. They were running a sales on their goods, so I had to quickly rush and purchase. This is pretty hard. Man, I really worried this company. Okay, this is the phone stand. This is the head of the ring light. This is the head. It's not that big, but I'm just super excited for this ring light. Okay, so this is it. So I don't know, I've been trying to figure out how to fix it more. This thing is really crazy. Don't mind my boyfriend, he cannot even record this thing very well. How does this thing even work? Oh, now wow. Okay, I've been trying to figure out how this phone stand works. I beg. Anyhow, shall we took it. I beg. And so that's how I've been fixing. We've been trying to figure it out. So we are done arranging the ring light. This one is not 18 inches. It's approximately 10 inches. This 10 inches ring light. I'm super excited. So let's try. And it doesn't use you have to plug it directly to the source. Oh, such a good. So guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me on the vlog from when I went to pick up the ring light to when I started fixing it. Okay, thank you so much for joining me on today's vlog. Please, if you're a new kindly click on the subscribe button down and hit on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I get to post a new video. I love you guys, and I'm super excited for this ring light. Flow Beauty Enterprise. Thank you so much for this. I appreciate. And now I've been disturbing you guys a lot for the delivery. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you guys a lot. Bye.